And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Sea Lions, and welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Today, we're going to talk about a whole bunch of things, including the Red Ribbon Recap. We're going to talk about a Halloween special event, and we'll also go through all the announcements for the day. First, let's kick it off with a recap of Red Ribbon Week.
McGaw wants to welcome police and military. Hi!
I'm the best day ever.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
For this week's announcements, we're going to start off by reminding you that the Project Seek fundraiser begins on Monday. So make sure you connect with all your friends and family and see if you can raise some money to support Project Seek. The second thing you need to know is that there is no school on Tuesday. All the teachers are coming together to do some professional development, and you get to benefit by being able to stay home. So be safe when you're out there having fun on Halloween night. Lastly, on Wednesday, there are two reminders. The first is it's college day. So show up Wednesday morning wearing your college best and thinking about the wonderful dreams you have for the future. And then finally, later on that evening is McGaw Idol. So if you want to support the school site, make sure you get a ticket soon and join over and watch all the wonderful, talented people on Wednesday night. Being a sea lion means that you know how to be responsible, aware, and honorable with your words and with your actions. So what better way to demonstrate that you've learned these core values than writing down with your family what you can do at home to demonstrate raw behavior? So check this out. This right here is the Raw Contest. It's going to start on Monday, the 31st of October, and go all the way until Thursday, November 10th. What you can do is work with a family member to let them know how you intend to grow as a person in responsibility, in awareness, and with your honor. You can go ahead and jot down a few things or even draw a picture if you'd like. What you want to do is afterwards you color the entire thing, send it into your teacher, and then it'll be collected on the 10th. At that point, Ms. Wood, myself, and the rest of the PBIS team are going to choose some Raw Contest winners. Not only will your poster be displayed around school, but it'll also benefit your classroom. So let's go ahead and get excited about the Raw worksheet. Fill it out, make sure you turn it in by the 10th, and let's celebrate what it means to be a great sea lion. Friends, we've been at school for more than 55 days, and this has required us to dig deep, to work hard, and to do our very best every single day. We've had ups, we've had downs, we've made new friends, we've taken risks, and I am so proud of each and every one of you. So as a means to say thank you and to celebrate how far we've come, Miss Wood and I thought that it would be a great time to have a surprise DJ dance party. So starting today at 11:30, going until 12:55, we will have a DJ dance party over by the Snack Shack near the basketball courts. There's a couple things you need to know. The first is kinder and first grade. You guys are going to have to stay over near Sea Lion Park so that we are not stretched too far. You can come over and dance with us over there by the Snack Shack. The rest of us, just make sure that we are not using hands-on behavior, that you have calm dance movements. Please, no flailing around or doing some wild jumping moves. We want to be safe out there and have a good time so that we could continue having DJ dance parties. Thanks so much, students, for doing your very best. And Have a happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! Woo!
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!